This video will show you how to replace the operating sash on a silver-lined casement window. You'll need safety glasses, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, an electric drill, and a number 2 Phillips bit. You'll also need a replacement sash. You may also need someone to help you lift and carry the sash. Start by unlocking the sash and opening it approximately 60 degrees. Next, release the operator arm from the sash bracket. It may be helpful to use a flat blade screwdriver. Releasing the operator arm allows the sash to swing freely. During windy conditions, the sash may swing outward and break free, causing personal injury and/or property damage. Support the sash during the replacement process. Next, retract the operator completely so that the operator arms are next to the sill. Then, release the top and bottom hinge arms by pulling the hinge arms off the studs. Firmly grasp the sash and slide the top and bottom hinge shoes out of the hinge channels to remove the sash. Once the sash is removed, place it on a clean, flat work surface with the interior facing up. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. Next, remove all of the sash hardware. The top and bottom hinges, the sash bracket, the straight arm glide channel, the keepers, the snuggers, and the sash guide should all be removed. Keep all of the components and screws for installation on the new sash. Place the replacement sash on a clean, flat work surface, interior side up. Position the sash bracket over the marks at the bottom of the sash. Some screw locations may be dimpled or they may be indicated by pilot holes. Secure the sash bracket in place with the previously removed screws. Next, position the snuggers on the side of the sash over the piloted marks. If the holes in the snuggers do not align with the piloted marks, try the opposite side of the sash. The tallest part of the snuggers should be positioned toward the interior of the sash. Secure the snuggers in place with the previously removed screws. To attach the hinges, align the screw holes in the bottom hinge over the piloted marks at the bottom of the sash. Secure the bottom hinge in place with the previously removed screws. Repeat this process for the top hinge. Next, install the straight arm glide channel, followed by the sash guides. Then, attach the keepers. The keepers are located on the sash on the side opposite the snuggers. Position the keepers over the piloted marks. Secure in place with the previously removed screws. Next, install the replacement sash. Start by resting the bottom hinge shoe on the hinge channel located on the sill, and the top shoe in the upper channel, and slide toward the side jamb. Now, snap the top hinge arm to the stud, and then do the same for the bottom hinge arm. Open the operator far enough to attach the straight operator arm to the shoe found in the straight arm glide channel. Next, attach the split arm to the sash bracket by snapping the arm in place with your fingers. Check the reveal to make sure the sash was properly replaced. The reveal, which is the space between the sash and the frame, should be even. If the reveal is wider at the top or bottom, use the sash adjustment wrench to properly align the replacement sash. There are 2 adjustments, one at the top and one at the bottom. Turn the adjustment wrench in the direction you wish to move the sash. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the sash on your silver-lined casement window.